All right, here we are at Last Chance Ranch up in Quakertown, PA, and we did wind up adopting Mia, the bull terrier, and she's getting neutered on Thursday, so we're gonna pick her up Friday afternoon. But Diesel found a friend, this big old pig. Say hi, Diesel. Wonder if he wants to come out and play. Maybe Diesel thinks he's bacon. All right. The missus is yelling at me. So, Diesel, say goodbye. Say goodbye. I don't think she wants to play, Diesel. All right, come on, crazy pants. Let's go. Come on, let's go. We got to go. I think Diesel really wants to play. Come on. Yep, I don't think so. All right. From Last Chance Ranch, Tiki Kev out.